Now we're going to have our paper laid flat here, and with the color side up, we're going to start the folds that are really going to have our rose take shape. So if you look down here, you can see we've got this nice cross section perpendicular. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to crease it up like so, forming this little tint in it like this. But I also want to do it with this side as well. This is going to take a little working with it and a lot of patience. Just going to crease it up like that. Oops, keeps wanting to slip. There you go. Just kind of crease it like so. Then we're going to do it the same way with this other side. Usually what I have to do is I just have to force it into shape, and as you can see, what we want it to do is to help it take shape is we're going to fold all of these in one direction. So if we're folding it, as I'm folding it counterclockwise, like so, all of them are going to lay counterclockwise, and you just have to work it around to get them good and straight.